You know, so you're gonna count it. So it's 29,000.
What's the put a neck for it? Eh? You put in one neck.
Yeah. God bless. Yeah, man.
Unknown.
Unknown. Yeah, God bless him. Thank you for the help. Yeah, God bless you. Yeah, man.
At the time, I don't know, he was in love with the person and them could something there, so it's just, it's just so many things, bro.
Or they in love with the female?
Yes. It's even at the time when we was together and everything, and she built up my hopes about a lot of stuff. You get me, I say?
Yeah.
And then eventually, a few years time, a lot of things just crumble, bro.
Yeah.
So, I not lie, as I pray it still, when I come out for your program, every day I pray it and say, I know, I do something wrong because even the program should know me from, you know?
Yeah,
and
yeah.
you should reach out to just to know me. And them something there. So when I pray, I say, I know I do something very wrong and I should never come out for the program because
me don't know what them a pre about. Akeynote can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day
How go on?
There, man.
All is well?
Yeah.
Bev. Eh?
I'm so come on. Yeah, just watch them on the train line. Get them a come there. Them a come. Yeah, I shot them. Let me come, man. Yeah, they mess up.
Oh, yeah. The grandkids? Oh.
Come now, come here. Alright, come.
I should have feed the other day.
Yeah, she very nice.
Every bit that's it. Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. So we're back here in Spanish Town. You know the thing goes already. So the journey never stops. You know it continues. We keep putting out the work because you know the work I have to put out. You know. So we're there back in Spanish Town. You know, we have a donor that reached out as well to help out the lady with the shop. You know that I literally give her a little thing to get some stuff. You know, so we'll come to check in to see what's going on. You know? So you say you buy some stuff?
I buy liquor, juice and travel.
With the money that I gave you?
Yeah.
How much stuff I get with it?
Yeah, man, stuff. Juice and fab.
I get juice and fab.
Yeah. One song.
Turn on the radio a little bit.
Go ahead and tell the cafe right now. Yeah, son. Close spinner now and you put toilet paper.
Oh.
Turn like coffee, just turn it on. Yeah.
So guys.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're here with Miss Bev. So Miss Bev buy some more juice and stuff with the donation, the money that I gave to her the other day. You know, and she buy a little tissue and the mayor was here?
Yeah, that means.
Okay, the mayor was there. So guys, so see, you know, she's trying to push out the effort to get some stuff. You know, so you know what? I could step in the yard. So I don't want do anything outside here. Stepping at the shop. Okay. Alright. Big up. Oh, okay, so you have to chef them empty everything.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you still don't do the florals yet?
Yeah, I don't do it yet. I want look at sun and cone and one bag of cement, you know? You have to do it better.
Do the floor. Right, so. In your house, the music up there?
No, man, in a film room.
Your room? You know what? Can you turn it down for me, please?
Turn it down.
Come here and go and video, please. Yeah. Oh, your son then?
But in the live here.
Okay.
But you feel sick and you see.
Oh, you kind of sick of. Alright, respect.
Yeah, man.
Alright guys, so as you can see, this is Bev situation here, and this is where she tried to make ends meet. As you can see, she got some couple more juice.
Yeah.
What are the stuff and the fab?
Yeah.
So with the money that I gave you, buy juice and fab.
Yeah.
Okay. So what else you usually sell?
We just sell a little clothespin, washing soap, bathing soap, and then something there.
Okay. So with these shape that's empty now, what you want to put on them?
Want some bits of all water. Me buy half case of water, but you kind of put some in the fridge, put some in the house there.
Oh.
But sometimes you want cold water.
Okay. Alright then. So you can buy some more stuff then to stack out the whole shelf then, right?
Yeah.
And then can you say you're gonna need a floor for sort out as well too?
Yeah, man, because sun and something different.
Because it's the same as steel and a concrete or any little thing. You know, so. Alright then, so I'm gonna try and bless you with that. As I said the last time I come, somebody say, and then this side to them I'm gonna bless you with something you can buy some more stuff, and get it.
Look at me Jason, that's a Jason. Come on, I get it. Yeah, man.
Alright then. And it's Miss Bev, right?
Yeah.
Bev. Yeah. Alright then. So Bev, so we have something for you.
Yeah.
Alright, so Miss Bev.
Yeah.
So here is this is 7,500 from someone named Vicky that live in London.
Yeah, thank you very much.
So you can tell her thanks.
Thanks very much, Miss Vicky. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you very much.
Let it out, man. Let it out. Hush. Let it out, man. Hush, man. Hush. Come can know the struggle where I go through.
Yeah.
And peace. This is coming from it's unexpected. We never expect this as well too. So I know them things they can touch sometimes.
Yeah, man. God bless.
There's good people out there,
Yeah, man.
There's good people. Look, you make all goosebumps step on the wall of my hand.
Yeah, man.
So. We always try to see we can help. Because there's one thing in life, we always say we cannot live for ourselves. And sometimes. There you go.
Fearful. I'm not scared.
The granddaughter.
Yeah.
So I always have to look out for her as well.
Nah, listen, man.
Yeah, I noticed because we saw last time when you guys are eat. Yeah, man, so as I was saying, we are here on this university, we have a life, so we have to try to, look out for each other in the best way we can.
Yeah.
Because sometimes when other people's situations, see how them going through, people start to be grateful for what they have and realize that people are going through worse. The same thing we have that talk about. Say, you might see somebody
Yeah.
but you don't know what's going on inside.
Yeah. True.
You know,
Yeah.
we always pass and we realize we are got through.
Yeah, man.
So,
God bless you, man.
so this is 7,500. So
God bless
count it and make sure it's 7,500.
Yeah. Yeah, thank
that's
you
it.
very much.
Vicky.
And thank you to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
From London.
Yeah.
I'm on stump when if you just require.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So that's Miss
Yeah, man.
Vicky.
Miss Vicky, God bless you. Yeah, man. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I also have another one I can help out as well too.
Yeah.
Yeah, so as I say, you say you want to get, you know, just buy what you can buy, and the more effort you put on them, say that you're
Yeah,
trying,
man. Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
you never know what can happen.
Yeah, sure.
You know, I will really give thanks for
Yeah,
whoever I reach out and then put thing there.
Yeah.
You know, because we know say it's not easy.
It's not easy, but rough. Rough with me, God.
It's really rough. So here we have this person is unknown, you know, the no name to be calling. And this is for you to buy up some stuff, you know, stock up. Because we want to see the shop stock out, they want to see.
Yeah. Come on, take off them zinc too, you know, and buy it 1 2 sheet of ply. And just take out them zinc and just, you know, can buy 2 sheet of ply. And just fix up, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have to, if you can do that, you have to make sure you use oil paint or something
Yeah, man, I don't have to go to use
to
the
take it from the water.
Yeah, man.
Isn't it so?
Bad man.
Alright, so
Bad man.
hold on, bro.
Over to that.
So you have this is 29,000 as well for yourself to help out. You know, this is from Anonymous. You know, so you're gonna count it. So it's 29,000.
What's for our put a net for? We put in one net.
Yeah. God bless. Yeah, man.
Unknown.
Unknown. Yeah, God bless him. Thank you for the help. Yeah, God bless you. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I'm glad we could have helped, you know?
Yeah.
I'm glad.
Yeah, man. God alone could help.
I remember the time when I come by and tell me, say, what can go on? And I say, just give time, you know?
Yeah.
And she said, nothing done before the time.
I'm not true, man.
It's all God and time.
Yeah, God and time are true, man.
You know, so.
Yeah, man.
And you never know, look how it happened. It happened
See me, I
just
show you.
how it did for
Me, I
happen.
tell you, a true man. True man.
So sometimes we can't just jump the rail, we have to just have the faith and just wait. Something will pop up. You know, I'm glad we could have helped. I'm glad Vicky and Anonymous could reach out, you know, so we have Anonymous.
And me, I said, Monday I come on my birthday, you know. Yeah, me, I said, me never dollar to buy nothing. And say, God provide. God provide, man.
Yes. Yeah. Once.
Hey, that Monday I come on my birthday, man.
Once we have the Almighty, anything, things are
we have
possible.
God, yeah, man. From we have the man. Yeah, man.
Things are possible. So,
yeah, man, big up God too, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I'm big up him. Yeah.
my name Akeynote, you don't know my name.
I'm big up Akeynote too, man.
And the dream team.
And the dream team.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So
Yeah, big up Akeynote. Yeah, man. And the dream team. Yeah, man, big up, man. Yeah, man, for you do for me. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, no problem, man. And sometimes go and pray and do the right thing, you know. Because the more I come and them can say, make a difference, people like that, you know. Because them always say, God help those who try to help themselves.
But true, man.
You know.
I mean, I like sit down, you know.
Yes.
I like sit down at all.
Sometimes we give people opportunity, but not try to make the best of it. And that kind of put off whosoever want to give them something. So the Almighty know that you're trying.
You try, true.
So Him sent a blessing. Me couldn't stop it.
No,
nobody could stop
true,
it. You
nobody
understand?
at all, true.
So I'll tell you, say, yo, when the time right, something will happen. So when the time come, not even me could stop it.
Can't stop it. True,
You
man.
know,
True,
the man lead me come right to you.
Yeah.
And I see what's inside. I'm say, alright, then here's $5,000. Buy where you can buy it. You know, and then from that now they get two more donations.
Yeah, see?
You know,
man,
so
God bless you, man.
Let's do the right thing then, yeah, Bev?
Yeah, man,
And
God bless
I'm
you.
going to check Miss Gracie.
And she not there now?
She down there?
She the hospital.
Eh?
She the admit. Ward 5 she there.
Oh, wow. She admit?
Ward 5. My husband tell me say Ward 5.
Oh.
She husband out there.
You out there, sir?
Yes, he's there.
Oh. Tell him say me I come to
He
you
said,
there.
tell me say not leave, ma come.
I never know, so she
Yeah, man, yesterday she admit.
Okay. Jaja. Alright then, Miss
Yeah,
Bev.
man.
So take care,
Yeah,
yeah?
man. Same to you, Kim. Yeah,
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright, guys.
Yeah, man.
Alright guys, so we give thanks to Vicky, you know, from London. We thank you so much, Vicky from London. You know, thank you for helping out Miss Bev. And also Anonymous, also as well from the UK. We thank you as well to reaching out to helping out Miss Bev and her situation. You know, she really appreciate it. And as you can see, it really touched her, you know, to realize that something we should never really expect, because she in an era, in an environment where you don't know where the next meal is coming from. You know, and something can just come out of the blues just like that, it will move her, because I can say she's going through a lot. The stress, you know, is there. And we give thanks that we could have do something also, you know. So we thank you guys so much. You know, I'm telling you, the work, the journey continues and it's never gonna stop. So blessed love. Alright, you Miss Bev?
Yeah, alright.
Come on.
Oh, go on.
Grace better look for.
She gotta look for?
Yeah, she the hospital.
Jaja.
It's a, me always see her 2 years so swell. But here so come over the ankle. But he still might take him when he realize it time that he come like say in foot the almost a rat now. A lot was swell. When we go doctor like I say infection in it. So they might treat her so they admit her.
Oh, them admit her.
Yeah, Ward 5 so they never go look for her.
Oh.
Yes, then cleaned up and so then put the injection in the drip. Yeah.
Okay. I went at, yesterday she got it?
Yeah, yesterday. Yeah.
Yesterday. So that means they're not gonna let her out for now then. Yeah.
Until I say soon she got jumpy joy.
Yeah.
Gone down on the same train line like a walk on.
Oh, well, sure, man. Alright, so like how you gotta go down there,
Yeah.
you gotta give her change from out here and you can just
Yes,
give
we
it to her
can,
for me.
yeah.
Like how she in there, so she gonna
He
need
said
it.
when me a wash you me. Fucking give him gonna come today and I tell you say Grace dog hospital and say like it. My mother pass I no realize me now. Yeah.
Go just walk up back at the yard because you don't want to do anything at the opening. Bless her love me, bless her. Yeah.
So like when it hand no way come in. Then wash coming up some clothes and me tell her say do not keep. She will wash it, but I said don't wash it, I will wash it because if you wash it, you can't spread it out.
Yeah.
And when you take chance spread it out, chance cuts me and tell me, say, I'm going to put out the dirty clothes. So I tell her, I say, leave the clothes alone. I wash it, like, come from town so I can wash.
Yeah.
And I cook something to cut the Irish. And I cook some color because she have the high pressure. She eat the garlic, so tell doctor say the pressure low. The garlic cut down the pressure too fast. So I carry the color of garlic to build it up back.
Oh, so should I eat the garlic to keep down the pressure?
Yes, because she have high pressure and I have the low pressure. I can eat the garlic, but I can eat the color, but she no repeat on the color one time. And she take the garlic, we stop there and say it cut down gone far.
So it's the foot infection now.
Yeah, right here some cap right over, I see the toe swell. So I say, because my foot swell too, but I know circulation.
Yeah.
So I say, oh, you toe swell, I must see the weight. That time we don't know, say, to it cap over now and she can't see it. We never know, say, you have infection.
Oh, okay, it does full drop over.
Alright. And swell it toe. When she attacked me, say, mercy, I got make that thing cut off the foot. Because it could have cut off because this foot swelling on. That one is swell.
So I see you have a swelling on your foot too?
Yeah, but I go doctor for it 3 times, but them tell me say it's no full circulation. This one, the doctor said, this one that more look like a poor circulation, but sometimes I stand up. But then some people get the stocking and wear it. But the doctor tell me one thing. The doctor say you walk too much. But the doctor don't know what he say.
Oh, you must say you walk too much.
Come take a blood test, run everything. And he said, no, yes, no circulation, but only one thing they say, I walk too much and I have the low blood pressure, and I really true. I like walking. I really love walk, I don't know why. So the doctor say, you walk too much, you are walking, can't make your foot sweat.
And then now if you walk a lot, and as you know in your age, you have to elevate your feet.
Yeah, the doctor say, he said you must get the baby oil.
Or the castor oil.
Or the castor oil that crack and burn your man. But the doctor want to elevate it as well as so.
You need to do that. So if you do it.
Yeah, I do it.
Sorry, so here was, so I do come here to give Gracie a donation that we get from we first want to go by Queen, in the USA. So telling guys, some say Gracie, she's she's admitted in hospital. So at the same time the husband was just going about to see her, while he was there speaking to Miss Bev. So I guess we came at the right time, even though she's not here, and sad to know that she's in the hospital right now, which is, it's not a place where I always want someone to end up, but that's where she's at this minute. So, the husband they always jump around, she always speak highly about him, say he's the one that help out the most, So I'm trusted him, see him with my heart, say, I can hand this donation to him, and then it will go to the right place, with her. I know him exactly tell her once he reach there. So I want to thank Queen, from the USA, for this from Miss Gracie, which is 7,500. I'm going to hand him now, and he's going to tell you thank you. I'm going to say let's pray for Miss Gracie, also Miss Bev, for them to have a better future ahead of them. So
thank him very much. He doing that for to send the money to my wife. Thank you very much. Because sometimes you don't have the funds, but thank you very much, and they come at the right time. So thank you very, very much. Yeah, her husband, and I'm going to give it her with her heart, and I'm so grateful because I carry her dinner now to make she have it and her orange juice. To make she feel good. And the orange juice, them have too much sugar in them too, them orange juice there as well. But it shouldn't feed panic, but like how you don't know what to carry, because I carry no coconut juice, because the coconut juice cut down the pressure too. So just like how she have the orange, can I get the little vitamin C, but she don't feed panic. I don't so much she feed panic.
So alright, so here is 7,500.
Alright. I will pass it on.
Yeah, man, so just pass it on and just tell us I'm send my blessings and the prayers.
Thank you very much, right?
And you just go and I'm say just tell her to keep me posted.
Alright.
So I guess them not let her out today then, right?
No, I don't think she'll come out today then. Like I have to see her and run to her. And if the foot not get better, she'll not go, and the pressure not come up back, then I go send her out.
Then I go send her out.
But I don't know what dangerous, just the foot.
That's the foot. Well, then again, we have to be mindful, because when time your foot is infected, you never know, because these Jamaican that like to cut.
Alright.
So next thing they want to cut off this and cut off that, because they feel like cutting solve everything, and that we don't really want them.
No, that you know what.
So hopefully there's something we can dress without she have to lose anything. Alright, then Papa, I'm gonna make a run then. And you just keep posted, right?
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man.
Alright,
cool. She told me yesterday, he called me this morning too. Alright guys, so boy, sad to hear that Miss Gracie is literally admitted, infection in her foot, so but really sorry to hear that as well too. So hopefully everything is alright, and as I can say, what caused all this situation to happen because of what she's going through as well too, and you can see that's what Miss Bev, we really appreciate everything, good day. Yeah, we really appreciate everything as well too for Miss Bev, because that really touched her, and for her to cry, it kind of moves me as well too, I'm not even lying at all. So Jaja, the struggle is real. So we're here to see the blind brothers now. Whoa, close the gate there, whoa.
Everything good. Yeah, man. The Virgin come
That's
check
done.
you, man.
Respect.
Yeah, man. The Virgin there, man. Yeah, rich friend.
What him say?
You're rich friend.
Let her go on, Judge. What go on? Good. Yeah, tell him read for me there, please. One, George, you know, we say, yeah, let's say football.
No, yeah.
No, yeah, which one? I which team you bring to the World Cup? Brazil too?
Yeah.
Brazil are your team?
Yeah.
Yeah. How long now you support Brazil? Long time? What you call long time? Last week?
Most. You know, most Brazil outside. I want to see a long time.
How long? Now the 90s?
Yeah.
Okay, so Pierre, bro, so not you not support Jamaica?
And there.
Eh? Suppose Jamaica got a World Cup, you not support them?
Yeah, and now,
Oh, one George. So I'm good otherwise though?
yeah,
Okay, you're Patrick good?
yeah.
Okay. Him
When
not, eh?
that's okay.
What him say?
Him said I will check him.
Yeah, I'm gonna check him.
When I see
Him asleep?
No, many times I not come here.
He not asleep. He not asleep. So you not talk to him?
yeah,
Oh, you shout him sometime?
yeah.
Oh. Shout him and say if you hear him.
In there.
In there. One George, I go and relax.
Yeah,
Alright, you eat a rice and peas already?
yeah.
Judge, I don't want some boy, I tell you.
Yeah,
You want some help.
yeah,
You want some decent food and go to them to build them up, you know?
I know,
Yeah, man.
I know.
Yeah, man, let's see, man. The struggle is real.
Some good food,
Yeah,
better.
yeah. That them want, man, you know? Build them up back.
Yeah,
Want
so
some.
try to see my boy alone.
Yeah.
You see me and say?
Treat hard for all under alone, you know?
Yeah. They take care of them, bathe them and all them good things. Them fresh all the while and them go away there, you see me?
Struggle on them, man.
So it's real, bro.
Can see, Hollander try, but it need
Yeah,
more.
them alone can't do it better.
Need more help, Hollander.
Army.
Need more help.
Malone,
Eh?
Malone.
Malone can't do it. Need more help. Trust. So you can always have them breakfast, porridge. You don't get them lunch and, you know, build them up. The right food and stuff. And them can't go work and leave in here. As well too, because it's a cost for pay somebody for look after one. So. Boy.
I'm watching nothing, you know, and anybody ever can look after them like how him can go, how mother can bear with them and understand them, and everybody ever can do that.
Enough people now are patient with them.
Yeah.
Yes.
That as well too. Sticky. So my brother Charles over there, David. So George, may I check your brother and come back?
Yeah.
Yeah? Brother Charles. Jaja. What go on? As usual.
Yeah.
John was him sick?
No sick. I sleep in the sleep.
Or you asleep? Jaja. So how him feel otherwise? Him voice sound pale.
He say if you feel alright otherwise.
Yeah, man, thank God.
Him voice sound pale. Yeah.
But in the life like we used to.
Yeah. Even if in the just week I could have tell, but we can't see. They meet already from there?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Them lack us so much thing we can boost up them energy, see me. Even though
Then choose, you know, because I do certain things they want. Them not really like vegetable. I have to force vegetable on them for them eat it. That's how I get them to eat the vegetable.
What about porridge? Them let them
they drink it porridge.
plant. They need some nutrients, you know? Because it takes a lot to keep the body up. You know, they not eat the thing of it help the body. Can you imagine if you eat something like now give the body no nutrient? You drive a car and you know put the right fuel in it.
It now perform.
So that's the way them are go through right now, you know. That's what you see. Even though we know that them are supposed to stay or them stay now for the age where them at. You understand?
Yeah.
Because it's not like say them sick. You know,
I just say regular disability we have.
Yeah, which is what? The eye.
The eye and in can't walk.
Yeah.
The regular.
But still, you know, because if him foot can't walk, at least the upper body for more, him supposed to be a more lively and everything. So it's kind of what me see right now, they lack of nutrient, a lot of them. You see me? And if it continue like this, it's like we are count days. You know? And if we are count down upon days, you know what that's gonna bring. You see me and say?
Yeah.
So it's not like say we don't want your effort go in vain. You understand? Because it seems like that like a waiting game. You know? For when time the day come, and we don't want that to happen because as you can see, body are deteriorate because they not get enough things that they need. Because
but then like them just not get it, and some of the things that they like and them not like somewhere strong as I'm show you. Them not really like vegetable. Them is a meat man and they like all sweet. Sometimes if I give them like a fresh juice can them not really want them to something there.
Well, eventually them have to drink it, you know.
Yeah, because more time I have to force them to drink
them have to drink it. Sometimes they not choice, them have to drink it. I could have make get lime and make lemonade for them.
Lime.
You know?
You need to cut off a citrus still.
We don't have to make it strong. You know? Something but yeah, I don't like the look. You know? Cause it always right my mind, you know, when I say more time when I say it's like it's a waiting game. Because if they not have anything to build them up, things are just deteriorate down. You see me? I mean, when you call me one day and say, you know, you are the situation and that. You see me? Which is we can avoid that because I'm young.
Part of life.
Yeah, but them have whole part time at 72, right?
70s.
Yeah, in
82.
Oh, 80, you know.
82.
Alright, well, we know say 70. Him say 80, we know say when you're in your 70s, you're not supposed to be like this, you know?
Yeah.
It's not like, I'm say, it's not like a man where.
And it depends how he usually treat himself when he's young. It all depends on him personal treatment and himself too.
But the problem right now, what me can tell you, is him is not somebody where suffer from proper illness. You see me, right now what them suffer from is malnutrition. You see me I say? Yeah, so let's not get a lot of stuff if you eat. You see me? And to say you alone you can't do it rough on you, see me? You see me? Need maintenance. Because we can see it with Patrick as well too, you know? When I see bone and things start to show more and more, you realize what go on. You see me? Charles.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, not Charles Vice that.
Yeah.
It good though.
But he must say, you know, life like how you're not cuss and sitting. You're not in a cussing mood today.
No lively, man. You ever not eat right yet and realize you don't have enough energy for do certain things? You ever feel like when you know say you were hungry but you don't have the energy for do certain things?
The vibes, you know.
Yeah, because of nutrient.
Your mind no content.
Yeah, so if you don't have nothing upon the body, not go operate good.
Yeah.
You see me I say? And this is the case what's going on right now. They not operate good because of situation. They need for, you know, getting the right thing for drink, the right tea, something for kind of build them up. I swear. They need building up. Yeah, I tell you. Building up. Charles.
Alright.
You're good.
Yeah, man. Worse.
Eh?
You could have worse.
Could have worse. I don't know, maybe on donation still.
Yeah.
Yeah. So We give thanks. You know, but we say we need more help. You know, you need more help. You need to find a way you can build them up. You know, because they like them reach the age where they can say, are them really sick? You know, when certain people sick, and want to say health issue here cause that. But what cause for them thing or them stay right
just
now?
regular pressure.
And that is a simple thing, you see me? Yeah. But what's causing everything or not them not eating the right stuff then? You know? I'm saying
we don't get what they like.
Yeah. Yeah, because you cannot afford to do it. And if you can't afford to do it,
because
it's a cause because you not eat it and supposed to. So you know, sure. Anything that touch me, brother. So yeah, I have 7,500 here.
Yeah.
From Queen, from USA, you see.
Okay, so Ireland received 7,500 from Queens in the USA. Yeah, towards the brothers Patrick and Alfonso. Yeah, my respect. Yeah, many thanks.
Yeah. Ooh. My brother Charles.
Yeah. Thank you, yeah.
Yeah. How you feel for it?
You can buy some cook food.
Cook food?
You can buy cook food already.
Food and rice.
But I was probably on plain rice. You don't want no plain rice.
You want a plain rice? What kind of rice you want?
Rice and peas.
Rice and peas. Yeah, John.
Eh?
No, I have the money. It's still stretching and I may have it.
All under the money.
I may have it money.
Because them keep them food when you give them though.
Yeah man, if you eat from them get what you like. I may tell you what you like.
If you can buy it at the time, then if you like you know, can always get to cook it. If you can buy it, two small box food, rice and peas and chicken, you know.
But if I buy 2 box food, this is cheap, I try cook it.
Are you cook it?
Yeah.
But you don't want the rice and peas.
One small box food now, about $400.
Yeah.
How much one small box food? A long time I buy, I ask how much one small box food. So I show him say,
oh, yes, a good $800.
I know some get some peas.
Rice and peas and chicken for $650 over yes.
That me just assure him say if me buy 2 box food, this is cheap me cook it.
Just cook some food.
Yeah, better me cook it.
Cook some rice and peas.
Yeah, some peas. You know, when I come and get some peas. When I come out next time and bring some peas and some rice. At least you will have that. You know? Yes. Yeah. When you have the peas and the rice, you can always cook same way. You know, the meat kind of can come with whatever donation we get. They can buy some stuff to put on. Yeah. Can help out same way, you know. But they need something. I tell you.
Want something to drink.
You want something to drink?
Yeah.
But you know, what you want for drink? What you want for drink? But you know you can't drink too much sweet stuff now, you right?
I got tin Quran.
Eh?
I got Quran flag.
Quran.
I got the Quran.
No, I think just I tell you say you can't feed on them something there where you expect for one.
Yeah.
I buck a juice max
Oh.
yeah, them the thing you know. I see him to me I tell you say certain thing where you like, they're not good for you.
No, supplement.
Yeah?
Supplement.
Supplement?
Yeah.
Yeah, even them things that them can go and be. Even though, you know, it's like thing that hold up a mucus here, me, but yeah. They need some, what man? You know, building up on some food stuff. Rice and the peas where you can cook. You know, so
rice and peas,
Struggle is real. The struggle is real. Alright, so Arando. So we're supposed to have some cheese myself or something.
So yeah, job for another money.
Yeah, $100 job. Alright, Orlando, see. Alright, it's like I don't want something. right now. See another 2,000 there, yeah? Just go buy them 2 food. We don't eat 2 food. You know?
Okay.
And
So, you know, you have to see that. You want a box soda or just a juice you want?
You want food himself, food you want?
Yeah,
Food and juice.
You must want food. Probably a juice you really want. So that's why I'm saying ask me again.
You must say you want food, man. You say you want rice and peas?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to buy a rice and peas food for you. Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm going to buy a juice as well. So you can buy 2 small food for the 2 of them. You know? You like cornmeal porridge?
Yeah, man.
All them things they can boil them things they for them a morning time. You know? Cornmeal porridge. You know them things they're easy to boil. You see me just use the condensed milk feed in terms of boil the porridge and give them a...
Well, the condensed milk thing now, me not keep up to date with the condensed milk, you know, cause...
So like what you substitute then?
Yeah, me like Lasco.
The last code I use?
Yeah, Lasco me use. Cause me not really have where to store the things them, you know.
Oh,
Yes, cause when you pull a condensed milk, you have to have something properly to put it on, cause answer eat up the something them answer, you understand?
Oh, I ain't on a fridge.
Me not on a fridge right now.
Okay.
When I get back in a job for you, to go buy a fridge.
Okay. So you're not out the house, so that's why they not really can't get anything.
Before the fire damage really happening in the yard, we did have them something there. But from that kind of setback, I get figure work and buy them something, you understand?
Also the fire that damage the fridge as well?
Yeah. So I get for work and buy them back.
So they definitely need a fridge then.
Yeah. Because fridge don't do them well, because you might access water, cool water nowadays.
Yeah.
So if you can get one liquor, one you can keep in water and in juice, then help out the situation.
Alright then. I want fridge over here, so I feel how much?
Fridge? You know, a long time I never look on the price for them still.
Buy one of the fridge, not really the small one them. If someone can go and cool, they can probably get one for probably another 40,000, 50, you know. So
I tell you, I look on the price so much for them.
Something with them can go on. You know, cool. Even the same part when I boil it for them.
Yeah.
You can put the rest on the fridge, you know, till later on in the day you can get them back again if they want before.
That would help them out. Because they might ask you cool things where you what's the time at?
Yeah. Alright then, so Charles.
Take care,
Yeah, I'm gonna buy the food for you, yeah?
Go buy food.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy the food.
You know, just say that to one.
I did explain to Kino say, you know, most want no food, probably quicker for one something to drink.
So you eat already?
I go and drink porridge. You did I drink porridge, man?
Okay.
See you porridge, not with empty in plate, see eh? You did I drink porridge, man? So I have to probably more want something for drink, cool something for drink, but you not really must want no food.
They have no appetite, that's the thing right now.
Yeah, so
they need something for like, you know, for boost up them.
You love his soda, because I see when I ask for soda, I say, no, I not buy no soda, I prefer buy something cool but something different.
You want something where for boost up about them appetite.
Yeah.
You know? Something for boost up them appetite. One time, let me see. Ask everybody my way have something where can boost up about them appetite. We can make them eat more, you know?
Well, I didn't know about a cauliflower tablet, you know, but
you
know why I not give them it?
Because they swallow.
Yeah, and next thing when they start eating enough and I demand enough food and we can keep up to date with the food thing. Because nowadays, they don't require 3 meals a day. I don't do that. I cook in the morning and in the afternoon to evening.
Yeah.
So automatically 2 meals a day. I really look after.
Because what they can afford, right?
Yeah, that's the position we're in now with the meals.
Alright then, Charles, so later, yeah?
Yeah, take care.
Yeah, man, take care. Alright, so we saw go on.
Yeah, man.
Hopefully somebody can bless you with a fridge. You know? Something. But why? It's like all of my energy gone to see the man I live. Alright, yeah? Later. Eh? Yeah, I leave something with him.
Yeah, man, he live Me can't
money
buy
with
meat and so with it. In the fast.
You want food? You're hungry now? You want food?
No, it doesn't drink wine.
I
Okay,
tell you,
so
so
you're good.
I would have tomorrow business. Then for hunger, I must more juice than I want. Something for drink, yeah?
I leave something with him, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So me catch you back again, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright then. Orlando.
Respect, my respect.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Dynamite, come in now. Yeah, man. Oh, I mean, I like the struggle is real, man. The struggle is real. Put them banana here, but over somebody yard there, but them say once it hang over your yard, your banana down. And the sweet one in this, you know. Yeah. But guys, man, tell you, the situation, the struggle is so real. You know? So real, boy. Hey. Oh. Alright guys, so you know the thing though, so we're heading back over now. Heading back over right now, so we give thanks to Queen, you know, Vicky, and also Anonymous for thanking us so much, you know, for helping out the brothers, Miss Bev, you know, and Grace, that's also in the hospital as well too. So dream team, one team, you know, it's the only real team, you know. Let's say love, guys. Peace. So heading into trenching right now, you know, to make it know what I want. So I'm saying Gingin, you know, is gonna get discharged today, so we definitely will see him today, you know. So bless you, yeah. So bless it. And plummy.
You make back feel good, don't clean up.
Yeah, if you can take some licking eyes.
Make back feel nice.
You guys, when you can sponsor me if you get one scholarship to pass for Kingston College, please, sit here.
So guys, that's how I'm passed for KC Kingston College. Congratulations. You grade 9 now, not grade 8, you grade 9. Psalms, congratulations. That means that baby is doing good work. Man, pass the KC. Make sure you do good because we're there for you, yeah? Pure licks. If you know the right thing. Yeah? So guys, so we had to check on Gingin. Cheers! We have heroes here.
Yeah, man.
Gingin is back home.
Back home, bro, man. Turn on the light. Inside. Oh, inside, man. Let's say
You.
man, bro.
How you feeling?
Feel much more better, man. Trust me. 100%, you see me? Yeah, all of my results them come back perfect and fine and such. So me get released today, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man, clean. I really appreciate love that way you do for me already.
Yeah,
like,
man.
me never rush to the hospitality, I rush them say. And so me come on time, yeah, bro. So it's like the right thing I'm going to call you fast for. Bring me at the hospital and from reach there, them start. Put the whole heap of drip in me and all them some there.
I realize you can a whole heap of drip and
yeah, bro.
Jokes. So the blood with them taste. They get result for them?
My blood count is very low. Yes, low. Them never know all my blood counts are low, so them bring it up back so everything is back to normal. Breathing, start breathing better now. My chest I really tighten up on me anymore, so I go through a lot down there, but them help me a lot, I not lie, you see me? Yeah, and take care of me and such. You see me? So I really appreciate love that Akeynote star, I not lie.
So if you get any more,
everybody.
Yeah, you all living era, you know?
You understand? Yeah, man, and to all of my donors, them respect and love. See the prayers goes on, man, I see it.
Yeah.
Love all of you, you see me? When I forget to know, but you just know the thing, I want to release you to do this thing, you see me? Because, Akeynote, one time I tell you, say, you know, I do a mistake still in life, you know? Because in the program, we shouldn't come off of it, bro.
Yeah.
Trust me, I shouldn't come up with the program because the program build me, you see me? Yeah, it put me from there, bro. And I'm something and the whole world know me just through the program, bro. So to everybody, me apologize to you. I know some love me and always want to see me, you see me, but boy, Akeynote, trust me. every day I pray that I regret it, you see me? Yeah, dog. I see the love and the people reach out to me and trust me, the amount of people call me and tell me say them disappointed that I come out for the program. All of them something there. And it break my heart, bro. You see me? But I tell myself so I have to make it up back with my fans and my people, them, my donors, them, everybody, the Dream Team family. I have to make it up back because trust me, dog. I know I do a mistake, I do something wrong in life, but everybody do mistakes, you see me? Of course. Nobody is perfect, so
that's why it shows you're a human being, you know?
Yeah, and at the time I don't know, I was in love with the person and them could something there, so it's just it's just so many things, bro.
Or they in love with the female?
Yes. You see me at the time when we was together and everything, and she built up my hopes about a lot of stuff. You get me, I say?
Yeah.
And then in front of a few years time, a lot of things just crumble, bro. So I not lie, as I pray it still, when I come off for a program, every day I pray it and say, I know, I do something wrong because even the program should know me from, you know? And you should reach out to just to know me. And them something there. So when I pray, I say, I know I do something very wrong and I shouldn't never come off for the program because the amount of love for the people them show me and respect, you know.
Of course.
Yeah, dog. So many people was disappointed when they come off for it and trust me, touch my heart, bro. When I see some people that text me and reach out to me and say, Gin, why you do that? And them something there, you know. And they know my fault. I do a mistake when I just tell myself, say, John, no, I just want the people them forgive me, isn't it, bro?
Of course, them forgive you.
Yeah, bro.
Everybody forgive you.
Nah, like, you know, I made up on the program and happy and everything, bro. Everything that goes smooth for me and good. But, John, no, I just certain little thing get to me and it's like messed up my brain, bro, isn't it? I don't know when people build up your hopes every time and tell us certain things so you will be alright and you see me and they're longer and them turn them back on you and you see me, so pay for learn, so you see me, you know.
Yeah, and it doesn't take a man now to can accept say, you know say blunder because we're not perfect, you know.
I know that, you know,
we know say
man,
the end of the day
nobody is perfect, dog.
Yeah, and the end of the day the reason why the people really love you so much as well because you are the foundation when this thing is going to start,
know, man,
you're the first person we start to help.
Yes.
You see me? So you know you have to have a foundation that you build on top of the foundation.
True,
you understand?
Yeah, man, because I know say I mean it start from and it go viral and the whole world in love with and the thing that goes so smooth and other certain circumstances go make me. I don't know why I do that, dog, but in the longer run when I come off I know I do something wrong I should do from day one because I have the amount of people who check for me, dog. People from walks of life I don't really know.
Never
even met them in person and the love when them show me, bro, and the respect, trust me, it was tremendous, dog. I see them something there, but I just want my donors them know say, they'll always be there, they'll always see me. You see me, because I know I messed up, but I say please, I beg you to forgive me, you know. Yeah, but right now, coming out of the hospital, I feel much more better, you see me? I'm going to have to go start do some writing and build myself because, trust me, last time, bro, I go through a lot, brother, you see me? I never eat properly. Some of the time, I never really have funds to do certain things and it just set me back in a way where eventually things that go down for me instead of up, you see me? Yeah, so trust me, Keenan, I have to appreciate it again. A lot of gear, a lot of love, bro, because no matter what, how I come over the program and never turn your back on me, bro. You always call and say, you reach out to me. If me broke on the money, I say, Keenan, I beg you a food money, you never turn me down. You always make me get it and cook and eat and feel good, so I tell you, Keenan, I'm really sorry coming off of the program, dog. Hurt me, dog, you see me?
Yeah.
But I just want the people them please me, I beg you for forgiveness. Still loving them, loving to see me and respect all of them because I want to put me right here so I'm there, see me? Yeah, I'm in a situation where it's really rough for me and people them see it and them reach out and build me the house here, give me something comfortable I can sleep and you know my mind settle and can no charge you.
I saw we can see you through yesterday.
David.
They bring some little grocery for your brother.
That part of things say that in one circle. No thing already, no really.
Can you not come outside again me here?
Big man thing, you know.
Yeah, I know.
I know the question was still, I see it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No, I don't want to think so,
Yeah, really.
Church up on
Just that. Yeah, there, man, I'll bring some little gross here for you. Yeah. So some mixed snack for you. You see me and them thing there. So, yeah, so that's smart stuff. So you have somebody who cook for you already and them thing there?
Yeah, man, I have to charge you can do that for me one time.
Yeah. Come on, you big up Mikey Flex in America, you see me?
Alright, Mikey. Big up yourself and respect and thanks every time. I say, my general.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, good for blood, for the strength and them stuff. You see me, I say?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man.
You don't know.
Man, I see it.
So make them know how long now since you're crippled?
You know, sir. Big man thing, brother, 20 years now, dog.
20 years since you're crippled? Yeah, man, understand.
You see me, I lose my legs and something, you see it?
Yeah, yeah. So
yeah,
you don't use wheelchair anymore again?
Yeah, I'm a wheelchair, man, but to a good one, I'm already come out.
Yeah.
You just must steering and them something, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's that key, man.
Yeah, no, so
I'm glad for the strength, man.
Yeah, man.
Place up, man, I see him last.
Hold on, man. So as I say, people, if anybody want give my virgin and strength, if you want give my strength, and you can contact me same way. You see me, if you want help them out with any cutting, like groceries or any cutting funds-wise. You see me?
So, I'm not putting him short, I want to fix all the place, you know?
You want to fix up all the place, I realize that. Yeah.
I want the flooring sort out and make a side, you see me? I'm going to go out through the car.
I want the flooring sort out.
Rough for me, man, you see it?
Yeah, you look like you don't want all the fun, man.
No, fun mash up, man. So I'm just going to use this for good times too.
Yeah. Yeah, man, so yeah, so we could nick snacks as in a fair, man. You see me, I say, and all the little change as well, too. You know the thing, bro, you see me? So, you see, you have somebody who cook for you, friend. Gingin and the players. Bring him side here. See the man. I don't know what you want to forward in there. Forward in there. At a moment like this. See it there. Gingin.
Yeah, and I dig up the foyer. Man, let's go. Yeah, man, the foyer dig up. Now, I want the foyer get dig up.
Welcome, Gingin.
Where we get on it. Yeah.
It's like me don't work one, but you know,
we have to learn. Yeah, we have to learn in life. So sometimes.
Yeah, and that's why I say I pay for learn.
Yeah.
So me, boy,
I know them all forgive you, you know, because I'm say.
I beg them forgive me, slip cut. I love them in a key, I miss them in that. You see me? More time I watch it, I still watch it every day. I watch the program, my bro.
Yeah.
And sometimes I watch the program, I see certain things, I say, you know. It's like, me should have still there, me should have still here, bro.
Yeah.
Should have never do what I do, bro. You see me? But as what me say, everybody do mistake and things at times.
Of course.
You see me? So, just I beg them for my apology, respect, love goes out to everybody. You see me? Yeah, man. But right now, in my health, I'm alright. Feel healthy, feel way much better than.
I just maintain it now.
Weeks ago, you get me? I say so. Trust me, Kino. I just mean if you just try maintain it now, you see me? Yes, I just keep it up. Always I eat on time and you see me? But as I say, sometimes I just have fun ski, you know. It's rough for me at times, brother, because I'm me alone. You see me? Yeah, I have to just cope and just have to work with certain thing I have, I plus most if I that I have. Because sometimes I like eat a biscuit and go on my bed, bro. And them things are really good for me as a wheelchair person.
Yeah,
you see me?
Yeah,
it break down my system and them something there. So a lot of things did happen to me, bro. We have low blood count, we have infection, we have chest pain, we have blow short and all them something there. Me dehydrate so bad with the doctor them see me, them want to me dehydrate, so all of them something there, you know, so but all of them things are restore back. Blood count good, everything. I breathe back better, I'm not really feeling pain anymore and such, so I'm kind of happy that day I call you and they rush me down at the hospital and get the help, bro. And if I'm reaching the hospital, they must, the doctor them, I feel them whole heap of love. From a KPH, I feel them whole heap of love because them reach out and take care of me there, you see me? And when I move from KPH, them transfer me to St. Joseph. And I love the people at St. Joseph, the doctor them and the nurse them up there is so amazing, bro. Them take care of me, them see things that I'm good. I'm gonna find them 24/7, them check on me and them something there. So St. Joseph Hospital is a good hospital. Yes, so I just want to tell them big up every time and respect. A lot. You see me, Kino? Yeah, man, trust me. I'm glad to be here back right now, dog, because I miss out my home, bro.
Yeah, obviously it's home, you know?
Yeah, because when I'm in the hospital, like a person, I see a pass away and I'm looking at myself and I say, John, you know, it's a beg God to keep me and come through this and I see the comments and when the people are saying like a comments and say, yo, Gingin, get well and pray for me. It was a joy to see that and to say people them still love me, see me and remember me and such. That touched my heart in the hospital, bro. I see the video and I don't care, I don't even know, bro. It stressed me out bad, man, but I have to just hold it, you see me? The day I come off a program, bro, it stressed me, dog, and we just miss everything about it, the team, bro. You see me? Because I know we're one family, you see me?
Of course.
And me, it start from, me was a day one person where it start from and everything, so. When I start to mess it back at me, I said, John, no, God, you know me do a mistake in my life and we should never do this because this is where me I come from and this is where person know me from. Bless it, my brother, saying? Yeah, so I really appreciate love that way you do for me, Kino. And no matter where you're always there for me, even when I'm not on the program, any little thing I can call up on you and you're there for me, bro. So I have to give you much love. You see me, brother?
Yeah,
man,
simple
every
thing,
time, man. Trust me.
A simple thing that I remember I grew up, you know, so you know, you think that I was good already every day. So just, you know, just maintain the health, you know, right now. As I say, we know say it's sticky because you don't have much thing to help yourself also. Because as my mother said to you, I say, Gingin, say if you was a man that's still on the program, you would be a main spot, you know, through your bedridden.
Yes.
You don't have a little stocks them in your way you can have that sell
little things
sell little stuff them, you know.
Yeah, because them things what we want it to do, you know. Have little goods them we can sell and make me little money and
of course.
You see me I say, and I know if me live on the program I would have have that already. You get me I say, bro, I know the people them that give me that strength to start a little business for myself and I can maintain myself and them something there, but trust me, bro. Every day I regret it, brother.
Yeah, because they have little stocks them yourself. You see me?
Yeah, understand,
and you go and sell. Come to say, yeah, try to them see
me. Yeah, try to do little sweetie thing and you see me, because I don't know, I want me could afford, so I have to just buy a little sweetie and go and juggle, but trust me, bro, it's rough, man. It's rough, and it's for me alone now, kind of hard for me, you see me, Yeah, man, so.
But like you just come out, it's $2,000, yeah? Is it me?
We should love that, brother, because
I know you don't want to afford.
I want you to go and get some medication, I'm definitely keen on. I have to get them and sort it out and so you see me? Yeah, and think because doctor them say I need to get them medication and take them at home and such. Yeah. Yeah. This one I feel got therapy. And them say I need therapy as well. So I have to go down to public and go sign Monday. We have physiotherapy and such.
Okay.
So Monday I have to go down and do therapy and such. Yeah, man, but
so then you have to get feel.
Yes.
I
definitely need the medication. I'm saying I have to get it quick as possible. Yes, keep my body up and every little thing up and running, you see me?
But you don't know the price today?
No, I don't know the price because I never even check it out as such. And you don't really have the funds to buy them, bro. So I don't know. So I really begging my donors or anybody who could have sponsored me to buy the medication. I really appreciate that and respect it a lot because kind of really stay away right now.
But when you can you can try to find out how much it come to, and you just give if you get the medication.
Okay.
You see me? So they can get somebody to check it out.
Alright, I'm going to try and do that then, printing.
Yeah,
at least tomorrow or something. I say.
Yeah, I don't know how much you man need to get
we
the
definitely
funds.
need them to keep taking them also, you know. Yeah, man, but I'm glad I reach my yard right now, Kina. 100% better, brother. I feel much more healthy in myself and such. I just mean if you just try to maintain certain things and eat on time and everything, you see me? But they are my cousin, man. Just come a while ago.
Oh,
yeah, man.
Yeah.
So I just that my brother, man. As in,
Yeah.
I forgot do the right thing, brother. And Keenan, I go always there, cause trust me, Keenan, as I say, I miss the program. I need to come back on it, bro. Yes, I need to come back on the program, brother. Cause when I was there, everything was fine for me and good. No matter what, people always there for me and reach out for me. Right now, I just me alone, Keenan. You see me? That's why it's so my time I feel like call and I say, Keenan, beg you a little thing for like look up for some food or such. Or sometimes I feel like beg a little grocery. So it's rough, Keenan, man. Trust me, man.
Yeah, I noticed on the seed, you see me? On the seed, so. So that was then, you see me, I say, no, we didn't know. You see me, say, it's all about right now for us, you know, so, to get you up, understand?
Yeah, true.
So you don't know, we always been there, we never gone, we still here, same way.
You know that, my brother, man.
You see me, so yeah.
I just want the donors them to know some love them no matter what. I always have in my heart, I never forget, you know. But we always know say I do a mistake where we should never come off a program and bill me. You get me, because this bill me and put much for me there, bro. You see me? And, but you don't know true way with somebody and they care about them and then build up your hopes and everything until they say we'll be fine and have to worry yourself about that and we'll take care of certain stuff. A few years after, it's like I just build up a bad energy and till have a break off and all them something there, you get me? But greatest thing in my life, same like, you know. And greatest thing, I still have my team and I can talk to and reason. No matter what, I never let me down, said when I always there on me same way. 24/7 man, check up on me and them thing there. Yeah man, so I really appreciate love that, bro. Yeah man, so I just go and hold it, you know, and thing. And just be strong, you see me?
Yeah man.
Now I'm not to stress me out still. I'm going through a lot, you see me? Yeah, so I just want to build myself right now. And such. I'm glad for say forwarding as I call it, because I never hitch. I'm call it on the phone, say, yo, I come on your foot right now. And you get a taxi and carry me in the hospital. And, I mean this right now, come on back and alright and fit. So.
Yeah, because that's what we want to say you're alright and you're good. And I was say, more time, if this is the wheelchair now work, you can have a chair, you can shout ear, okay, no once you shout ear, you can just lift you out.
And the wheelchair mash up in there, that's why more time me and then at the house and can't come out. Because the wheel them has really come off and 2 times I drop out tight, you see me? So I never really run the risk to push it and come outside because me just to push from myself to the bathroom, I drop out tight. The wheel them just come off and just. But I definitely need back a wheelchair, I can start come out and such and can get my fresh air and get sunlight and the doctor them say my body need all sun.
I tell you say you need the sun.
See me? Because I'm there at the house every day, I now come out and I'm somewhere there. Yes, I now get the real fresh air, you know what I'm saying? Yes, so I eat them at them say I need to come out and take fresh air, all of them something to get my sunlight at morning time. So I definitely have to go do that, you know. As soon as I get a wheelchair, I have to go start come out.
And if one of them plastic wheelchair they cause in the back, you can
I can't go on until I get a wheelchair.
Because I say we have the wheelchair, but they're not in a position as yet. Them still like at the storeroom.
You get the wheelchair, the little plastic chair, have a little cushion and sit down in it. You for a long time, I tell you this before, doctor tell you. When Corona health, they say you need to come out, brother, come take the morning, 6 o'clock, breeze them and the sun, sit down on the light post, you say in a wheelchair, wait till the sun come out. Take it in your head and in your body.
Yeah man, I need the sunlight, man.
You go all the doctor, I never tell you that a long time, I tell you that from me, I come on, I come and deal around him.
And if I come out, I'm going to change up certain things, because certain things I never did the right key, but as soon as we get certain things up, man, they will see me like every day out the door and such, and take my breeze and take my sunlight and so, you get me?
Yeah, man,
cause everybody body need them something. You see me? Have to need sunlight and such. Yes, so I have to go do that. And to do one as blessings, love, respect, Gingin, healthy and strong back again. You see me? So really respect that for myself. Get by my health the right way, you know, cause the rough thing I'm not like. You feel me? I'm just there as I go and be strong, see me, I'm not give up no matter what. You see me? Cause I know when I really give up, you see me? I got 26 years, I'm not a wheelchair. And that's a whole heap of years that I'm still a whole it same way. I never make nothing kinda, you see me? I'm a worry and break down certain way. The only time I worry, I want me to come off of it. Alright, my cuz. The only time I kind of worry at times, I want them to leave out of the program and I know I do something but I not to do. Because that was the thing with build my brother. And me start Akeynote. And you tell me, say, if when me there couple that come off, it's so upset with me. And such I could have see it, hear it, tone, voice, everything, bro. Yeah, but as you say, Akeynote, that will pay for learn still, you see me? And nobody is perfect, dog. We all do mistake at times and then we look into ourselves. We say we do something wrong, you get me?
I will move on from there. You see me? So I'm not crucified, so we'll move on from there.
Man, I know some donors them will forgive me about that.
Them all forgive you right
because it's a loving donors we have from day one, bro. People will check through and love you, so. I know them will understand my things still and they will sit through that and know say. Everybody do mistake, bro.
It take a man if you can actually accept and just show the gratitude, you know, and just ask for forgiveness because we're not perfect.
That's true, bro.
You see me I say, and you make them know what's on your mind and how you feel and what you shouldn't do. You see me I say, so you done that, you know, and there's no harm done. You know what you say, now go sleepless. Say that take nobody at all if a man knows. So you know somebody do something wrong. Me accept it, me apologize, you know.
True.
I'll just walk on from there, so.
That's true, bro.
You know. And done. No harm done, brother. You see me? I'm saying just go and start out the health.
Alright.
There. Just keep them posted.
Alright, I just keep you posted on everything. I mean I get the medication sorted out and check out how much of the price and make you know, alright?
Yeah.
Alright, my brother. Respect a lot and appreciate love.
Yeah, man.
Doing as them blessings. Yeah, man, Gin, I still want prayers, man. All I want to. Love the whole I want, man, because I still reach out to our God. You see me? So, really appreciate love that to every single person. Every single donors. You see me? Even new one, them when I really know me. I know say I'm like a new person on the program right now.
Man, whole lot.
Yes, so some of them maybe don't know much. Some of the long time donors, them I know Gin, who don't know the code, you see me?
Yes,
and to the new one, them, who never know me in the longer run, because they'll always be there from now. And today they not always see me. You see me? So Kira, take care and be strong, brother. All the love and respect to you every time. God bless you, bro.
Yeah, man. Alright, Vevo. All living here, jeez.
Yeah, man, cause straight, you know.
They are same way.
They are same way with Gin and thing, you understand?
Never let me over.
We're not there too far, you understand me? I said to you.
So
I'm grateful for any local strength him can get, cause you know, say we as people, everybody make mistakes.
Of course.
You understand? So nobody not perfect.
I'm no more than I say era 2 years I want to drive taxi.
Yeah, I drive taxi, so sometimes I'm busy, you understand? So that's why sometimes you might not see me, you understand me? I said to you, I just true right now, I no work, you understand? So that's why you probably
a glimpse you know.
You got a glimpse me, you understand?
So whenever the money I work,
yeah man, you just not see me. We stood them close, you understand?
Sit there see me, you're not going away. Alright then, cheers, the best of. Alright guys, so as I said, that's so Gingin, you know, so we give thanks and we accept, you know, because we know so we are blunder in life and know so that's how life goes sometimes. So sometimes you will get false hope, you know, but sometimes you can't know if it's real or it falls to when time things happen, you know, and we all accept that and know say I just so, you know, so we give thanks and know say yo guys, blessed Lord. You want to see it there? Say nothing guys, so blessed love and thank you so much for the love and the support. Remember please to put the thumbs up when you're watching. Blessed.
Watch out now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.